We're going to start today. We are going to do three-digit subtraction where we're going to regroup the hundreds this time. So when you're done with 6.8, you should know how to regroup the hundreds in subtraction. So let's start out with the Reading Club has 349 books, so let's go ahead and draw that. 100, 200, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, and I've got 9 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in that book club, 173 books are about animals, so I have 173. So first thing I want to know is how many books are not about animals. Well, the first thing I look at is the ones column, and I notice right away that I can take 3 away from here. I do not need to regroup. So that's pretty awesome. That makes my life easier. So I just scratch out these 3, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here I need to take away 7, and I only have 4. I can't do that, which means I need to go here, and I need to take away 100. So I have to put this 100 in here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So now I have enough. Now I can go take away the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then if I take 2 away from 1, I get 1. So let's take a look at this the way that your parents would do it. So I have 349 and 173. And same thing, we're going to make sure that we line everything up because that's going to become very important. So I know I always do subtraction going down, and 9 minus 3 gives me 6. And here I have 4 minus 7, and this is where we realize that we don't have enough in the tens column. So I have to go, hello neighbor, can I borrow 100? And he says, sure. This now becomes, instead of 300, 200, and this, instead of 4, becomes 14. So 14 minus 7 becomes 7, and 2 minus 1 becomes 1. I have 176 and 176. Both are strategies, and both are correct. You can use either one. So let's try one more. So let's take a look at this one. I have 8 minus 6. Well, I can do that. I have 8 on the top, and I always go down. So 8 minus 6 gives me 2. And I have 7 minus 5. Well, guess what? I can do that too. 2. And 4 minus 3. 1. I love those. They're so easy. They're like my favorite. I don't have to think about them. I can just do them. Let's try this one. 4 minus 3 is 1. Uh-oh, here's where we have a problem. I have a 1 on the top, so that means that's worth 10, and I'm trying to get 60 out of that 10. So I need to go to the neighbor. Hello neighbor, can I borrow 100? This 8 now becomes 700, and this 10 now becomes 11. So 11 minus 6 gives me 5, and 7 minus 2 also gives me 5. So my answer is 551. Don't forget, one of the strategies, draw the picture if you can't figure it out. Either strategy is correct. All right, little bolts, have a great day.